To me, Valentine's Day kind of seems like a made-up holiday, but every once in a while it can be fun to celebrate with your partner, your gals, or just have a date with yourself. In case you were tired of the usual cinnamon hearts, boxes of chocolates, and Lord Huggingtons, I'm sharing my favorite Valentine/Galentine/Love Day gift ideas for the person on a budget. Just eat. Eating out puts a real big dent on the budget, and all the good restaurants are probably booked solid on Vday anyway. So why don't you treat each other to a really good meal at home? It's easier on the wallet, it will probably taste better, there'll be wine, or beer, or both, and don't skip on the dessert. It's up to you if you want to share or not, though. Forget the roses on Valentine's Day. We're millennials. Flowers aren't our thing. Plants are our thing. So instead of the usual overpriced bouquet of flowers that will start dying in a couple of days, try giving your BB a cute plant BB instead. Take your boo, your pal, or yourself out for a special coffee date. A $5 latte every now and then never hurt anybody. If coffee's not your thing, then maybe you're a tea drinker. Snuggle up in your favorite cozies with a cup of Netflix and chill and some Tea Pig's Rooibos cream caramel tea. Oh, and the Tea Pig's tea cozies are all 100% biodegradable since they're plastic-free and made of cornstarch. Happy sipping and happy planet! Enlist the help of a friend or support a local artist by hiring your favorite photographer for a mini photo shoot. You'll end up with some beautiful photos to treasure for years to come, and your mom will finally stop complaining that she doesn't have a nice photo of you two in the fridge. You don't always have to hop on a plane, train, or automobile to have a really fun adventure. Plan a day playing tourist in your own city and have a blast getting to know what your community has to offer with your boo. How about just telling that special person in your life that you love them? It's always fun to know that you're awesome, or that you're awesome sauce, or that you're loved just as much as Kanye loves Kanye, or that you give someone the feels as often as Drake sheds a tear. You should probably think about telling them that on a regular day too, though. There can be a lot of pressure to spend lavishly on Valentine's Day. I hope you got some cute ideas beyond the usual red roses, stuffed animals, and cinnamon hearts from this video. Whatever you decide to give your special someone on V-Day or any holiday, just remember that people are greater than presents, thoughts are better than things, and sentiments are greater than stuff. Happy Valentine's, Galentines, Love Day, Anti-Valentines, or whatever. Thanks for watching. Bye.